Now that the lenses are removed, you need to clean and disinfect them. By using the multi-purpose solution recommended by your eye care practitioner, it's as easy to care for Synergize lenses as a regular soft or gas-permeable lens. Simply place the lens bowl side up in the palm of your hand. Apply a few drops of the multi-purpose solution and rub gently in a circular motion. This removes dirt, debris, and bacteria from the surface of the lens, keeping the lens clean and clear and comfortable to wear. Rinse the lens off with a steady stream of multi-purpose solution and fill the lens case with fresh solution. Place the lens in the well, bowl side up. Never top off or use old solution when soaking the contact lenses. By storing the lenses in the solution for a minimum of 6 hours, the lenses are clean, disinfected, and ready to wear. To help keep your vision and eye health performing at their best, we recommend replacing the Synergize lenses every 6 months and your contact lens case every 3 months. When it comes to the care of your Synergize lenses, always follow your eye care practitioner's instructions.